Welcome to Earl Stewart on Cars.
The simplest advice I can give is to ignore any sort of thing labeled protection package. If you've got a cloth fabric, you can go into a Lowe's or a Home Depot and pick up a can of Scotchgard and spray it yourself. I mean, for $5.95, you feel bad about spilling something on your fabric. But even the fabric that you buy today is probably already treated with that. Today's cars, as far as the outside goes, they sell the paint sealant. It's worthless. The finish and the multiple coating, along with a added clear coat that almost all cars have today, all you have to do is wash your car, and then once in a while you can wax your car, and the finish will last forever and ever and ever. There's a lot of things that they put under the cloak of this supposed protection package, and if you analyze them bit by bit, you find out that it's a waste of money. I've seen protection packages for over $2,000. The cost of applying this typically might be under $100, if that. Sometimes even distributors of cars will add protection packages, so it will be actually on the label that will appear to be the Monroney label. It's something you have to be very careful of. If you see on a window sticker, a dealer addendum sticker, or anything of that nature, even on the Monroney label that has something called a protection package, refuse to pay it. And if they say, well, all my cars have it, just say, well, I'll go to another dealer where he doesn't have it. In my dealership, we get cars from the distributor with protection packages on them. They call it ToyoGuard. And we don't order our cars with that because we feel that it is not worth the money. The cost is prohibitive, and we feel that we want to present value to our customers. So if a customer insists on buying a car with protection package, some people are brainwashed into believing that they want to have the fabric protection, they want to have the paint sealant, they want to have all the other virtually valueless products that they call protection on the car. You can see why people feel that way. Invest a lot of money in a brand new car. Some people are going to buy a car, they're going to keep it for a long time. So what's the first thing you worry about? Protecting the car. And by the time you hear the sales pitch from the salesman, he's going to say, in South Florida we have such extreme heat, and we have salt in the air from the ocean. You have dust from the construction on the roads, and they do such a selling job on you. You say, oh my God, I'm going to have to protect my car, my lovely car that I'm spending $27,000 on. I want to protect that car. Well, Mr. Jones, you can protect that car. It's only going to cost you $1,995. And this paint seal and this fabric protection and all this other malarkey is going to keep your car safe from all these horrible caustic things in the Florida environment. And the fact of the matter, they won't protect your car from that. The car is already protected, and it's a waste of money. The rust proofing, there's a warranty that comes with it. And the only way that they will pay you on the warranty is if you have the rust that comes through the metal and then through the paint. If you have a scratch on your car and the metal gets affected and salt gets in there and you get rust, it won't cover that. So the factory typically will have a corrosion warranty on the car. A typical corrosion warranty would be 5 years or 50,000 miles or even longer. So you have a corrosion warranty on the car anyway. Cars don't rust as long as you protect the finish. If you get a stone chip or a scratch on your car and then the metal can oxidize because you've broken off the paint, but as long as your vehicle is painted, it's painted on the outside, it is treated with corrosion resistant by the manufacturer on the inside, there's no way the car can rust unless you crack the surface of the inside corrosion coat or the outside paint and the multiple paint coats that they put on there plus a clear coat. But if that happens, all you have to do is touch it up or repaint it. You don't get any protection from what the dealers sell you that is called, rust protection is not rust protection.